So we look at great people through the filters of values and results. Values is natural fit within our culture and our belief in operating systems and how we treat people. And then results, getting stuff done, achieving what they said when they said they would achieve it. And an A player is high on values and high on results. A B player, we love them. They totally fit our culture. They're amazing and they're loved. They just don't always produce results. And you normally have to drop down. You normally have a part-time job with them to help, or quarter-time job to help them and oversee them and manage them because they can't get it done on their own. They're fine. You just can't have too many or you're not going to win. And then we have what we call toxic A's and C's. C's are easy because they're just taking up space. They don't fit the culture. They don't produce results. They normally get worked out of the system. The toxic A's are the problems because they're high-performing jerks. They're high-performing people who don't fit your culture, and they produce really, really good results at a cost to everybody else that they work with generally. And they take a lot more energy. And, the rule of thumb we have is if you're in a red box, you got to go. Like, you got to be an A to stay. We don't have room for these people. We either get on culture or you go find a job in a company where you naturally fit and you'll be better off. And these A's are just amazing because they don't need a lot of supervision or management. They do the work of 2 to 3 humans. They deliver, they solve their own problems. They're just an absolute delight to work with. And then the companies that we see that continue to scale and thrive, they have a lot more of these people than normal. And I see, a CEO or a leader in a company, Clements, on the call. And, there's a great case study you'll read about his company coming up soon. But they've done a lot of work on this and done very, very well by getting exceptional people into the roles. And we have lots of companies who have built out this winning strategy. And it's just following the principles of Collins and some other tools to help get there. But huge focus. And that makes it a big difference. Get those ones in the bottom zone out, have them find a place they're happier, and build your company so it looks like this. And 90% in your key roles, your key leaders, the key impact jobs are filled with A players. And then it's a heck of a lot easier to build, sustain, and we'll all also enjoy it a lot more. It's a lot more fun to do that.